Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you what to do if your Brawl Stars account has been locked or suspended. So first, open the game and read the message explaining the restriction, and check whether Supercell provides information about why the account was suspended. And if you believe the restriction was made by mistake, then you can use the official Supercell support process to request a review. Then you need to provide accurate information and explain the situation clearly. If your account was hacked or someone else accessed it, then mention that when contacting support. And avoid creating another account to bypass a suspension. Also, never give your Supercell ID password or verification code to someone promising to recover your account. And if the account is temporarily locked for security reasons, then follow the instructions shown by Supercell and wait for any required security review. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.